Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to log into your US bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any videos from us. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL usbank.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to their website and click on the login button at the top right. So here all you need to do is enter your ID and password that you use to log into your US bank account. So enter your personal ID and password. Once you do that, click on the login button to log into your bank account. But if you do not have an account, click on the new user to make one. And also if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on the forgot ID or password. So there you have it. That's how you log into your US bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. So see you in the next video.